Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and new video. In this video, I will show you how to hide liked video on TikToks. Okay, let's start. At first, go to your Play Store, tap on search icon, search for TikTok. Now TikTok is a update available. Go and home screen, open your TikTok app. Now scroll down, tap on profile icon, tap on three line menu top of right corner and tap on setting and privacy. Tap on privacy. Now scroll down and look for like videos. Tap on and choose only me. Confirm the change once selected. Your like videos will be hidden from others. Now your like video are fully hidden. You will be able to view your likes videos. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.